Friends, hello everyone and welcome to this channel. In today's video, I will show you how to create a second Facebook profile with the same email you already have. Friends, please write your comments, be sure to put your likes and subscribe to our channel. And let us get started with you. Open the Facebook app on your device. Then in the bottom right corner, go to the menu section. Now you need to either under your name or click on that arrow at the end and find the item called Create Facebook Profile. Click on that. Now you'll need to choose what kind of profile you're going to have. It's a public profile or it's a private profile. Click Next. Next again. And the next thing you need to do is just create your unique username. Write it down. Now, as you can see, my username has been fixed a little bit because so many names are already taken, and Facebook automatically corrects them so that you can have your own unique profile name. Let's say if I delete any of the numbers now, as you can see, that name is already in the red box, which means it's taken. Also in this step, you'll be able to pick a profile picture for yourself. To do that, click on the camera at the bottom. Now go to select any absolutely profile photo. Next. And in the same way, you will be able to select also the wallpaper photo. After you have made all the necessary changes for you here, click Continue and create a profile. And now you will have to wait just a few seconds. As you can see, it says that our profile is being created. It doesn't take much time. Friends, you don't have to worry. As you can see, quite quickly the Facebook profile has been created. Next, you will be prompted with some steps, like add friends, and some further steps. But if you need to, then by all means, do it. Now I'm going to close this option for now. So, as you can see, here we have a new Facebook page created with the same email. As you can see, here you can also change your profile photo or your photo wallpaper. You can also edit your profile, also go through all the steps that I just covered, like add friends, write your information about yourself, and so on. And now to switch from profile to profile, you'll just have to click right here at the top. This is where you'll see all of your profiles. If you have, let's say, a second profile, of course, you'll only have two, and you can just switch between them like this, friends. I really hope you found this video helpful. You've seen how you can create a second Facebook profile with the same side mail. Please, friends, subscribe to the channel, give you show likes, write comments, and see you soon.